The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization, Hito, on Monday had submitted a memorandum to the Governor of Meghalaya, Satya Pal Mallick, to urgently request his intervention in urging the Meghalaya Assembly Speaker to provide white paper, initiate an FIR and CBI inquiry on the construction project and the recent collapse of the dome of the new Meghalaya Assembly building at Mawdiangdiang in New Shillong township.
The complete tender and bidding process, including the criteria, adopt such as experience and turnover criteria for selecting the Rajkiya Nirman Nigam Limited, which is implementing the precious project, to provide the names of the companies who submitted their bids along with the list of the local representative of any of these selected companies. Number 2, the list of members of the tender or finance committee and the views and comments. Number 3, the recommendation notes if any of the technicals and financial officials. Number 4, why such large prestigious project have not been handed to the run-owned Tata company or L&T, which is executing the Vista project of the Prime Minister's office. Number 5, why were inexperienced and incompetent officials appointed by Meghalaya Assembly to oversee such large prestigious project? Number 6, to urge the Speaker to initiate an FIR and CBI inquiry on the collapse of the dome, which miraculous of the laborer were injured, and to inquire as to cause escalation or corruption, if any, in the allotment of work by the Meghalaya Assembly Tender Committee headed by the Speaker. Number 7, to urge Meghalaya Assembly Speaker to clarify if an independent agency like Tata Groups or L&T will be appointed by the Meghalaya Assembly Secretariat to certify the quality and safety fitness to the new Meghalaya Assembly before inauguration and entry by MLA officer and staff in this premises. On this regard, we urge the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya to kindly direct the Honorable Speaker to immediately issue a white paper, file FIR, and invite CBI on this entire shocking incident of massive corruption in the Meghalaya Assembly, leading to the collapse of the structure, causing serious concern as to safety fitness to the new Meghalaya Assembly in the ongoing construction to the prestigious Meghalaya Assembly, where Honorable Governor would have to attend frequently.